Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering Excel functions and boosting your productivity. In today's tutorial, we're going to explore the match function in Excel. This powerful function helps you find the relative position of a value within a specified range, making your data analysis more efficient. Let's dive in. Let's start with the syntax of the match function. Here's what each part means. Lookup value is the value you want to search for. Lookup array is the range of cells that contains the value you are searching for. Match type is optional and specifies how Excel matches the lookup value with values in the lookup array. The options are 1, which is the default, finds the largest value less than or equal to lookup value. The lookup array must be sorted in ascending order. 0, finds the first value exactly equal to lookup value. The lookup array can be in any order. -1, finds the smallest value greater than or equal to lookup value. The lookup array must be sorted in descending order. Now, let's look at our example. We have a table of sales data with columns for product ID, product name, and price. We want to find the position of a specific product name within the list. Suppose we want to find the position of widget C in the product name column. In cell E2, we'll enter our match formula. Start by typing equals match. Next, we need to specify the lookup value. In this case, it's widget C. So we type widget C, comma. Then, we need to specify the lookup array, which is the range that contains the product names. So, we type B. Finally, we need to specify the match type. We'll use 0 for an exact match. So, we type 0 and close the parentheses. Press Enter, and Excel will return the position of widget C within the range B, which is 3. The complete formula in cell E2 is displayed on the screen. And there you have it. We've successfully used the match function to find the position of widget C in the product name column. The match function is incredibly versatile and can be used in various scenarios to find the relative position of a value within a range. Whether you're looking up names, prices, or any other data, match can simplify your data analysis. That's it for today's tutorial on the match function in Excel. We hope this tutorial helps you master Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.